Indoor Comfort Team is here to help you avoid the most common furnace problems this fall. As cooler weather arrives in St. Louis, furnaces that have been off all summer can face issues like dirty filters, thermostat malfunctions, or ignition troubles. Dust and debris can build up, leading to weak airflow or uneven heating. Ignition or pilot light problems may stop your furnace from producing heat, while leaky ducts or blocked vents can create cold spots in your home. Fall is the perfect time for a tune-up to catch small issues before they become big repairs. Regular filter changes, thermostat checks, and professional inspections can keep your system running efficiently and safely. Stay warm and worry-free. Call Indoor Comfort Team at 314-230-9542 to schedule your fall furnace checkup today.